This is Saders from the MasterTour team. Welcome to MasterTour. Let's get you started. In the next few minutes, we'll cover what organizations are, setting up your first event, and sharing those details with other users. We'll start by understanding organizations. Organizations can be thought of as your company or team. All of your tours, dates, and events belong to an organization. Organizations can have multiple users with different permissions, and a single user can belong to multiple organizations. With that in mind, let's open MasterTour and create our very first event. Since we are logging into MasterTour for the very first time, we'll need to create our organization. Next, you have the option to upload a logo. We'll skip this for now as you can add logos later. Dates are grouped into tours, so we'll create a tour and define a few dates for our tour. Next, MasterTour will ask us for some details about each date. We'll say this first day is an event at the Troubadour in Los Angeles. The next day's event is at the Crescent Ballroom in Phoenix. Finally, we'll say our third event is at the Ogden Theater in Denver. Click Finish to be taken to the MasterTour dashboard. We can choose which date we want to work with on the right, and different views for our current date are along the left. If we want to add a schedule for the day, we can go to the Schedule view and add in those details. Now that we have our organization, we can give other users access to the real-time data. We'll do so by clicking the gear icon next to our tour name, and then choose Users. To add the user to our organization, click the Add button. MasterTour will then prompt for their email address. If they do not have a MasterTour account, you will need to enter a few more details about that person. Finally, choose which permissions you want to give the user in this organization. You can use the link in the YouTube description to learn more about what different permissions mean. If everything looks good, click Add. The new user will be notified via email, and they can immediately see the details you have added. Now you are ready to hit the road with MasterTour, streamlining every part of your journey.